Hi, today I'm making chimichurri sauce to go over my grilled steak. Now, I have never made chimichurri, but I have heard so many incredible things about it. I wanted to try it and to see how it would come out. It's very simple. It's about a cup and a half of flat leaf parsley, a quarter cup of red onions. Now, this is not something that you have to do. It doesn't have to be made with red onions, but I like that. I have 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic, as well as a half teaspoon of oregano, and also a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And so I had sort of chopped all my ingredients, as you can see, and I have them all here in a small bowl. I added a little bit of black pepper because sometimes the red pepper flakes don't quite break down. And then I also added a half a teaspoon of salt. It was 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then maybe 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar that I added, and then just mixed all of my ingredients. So everything is chopped really fine because it's almost like a salsa. And again, I was super excited to try this, and I put this over the steak and it transformed the steak. Clearly, if you want this to be a sauce, you can put it in the blender. This was really, really good, and it's a great spring recipe.